Oh, black people leave their Christmas decorations up till like June anyways, so like they'll get their use, you know. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl T here with another video. I know I'm looking crazy, just mind your business. I have a new wig coming later on today, and I just got off of work. I decided that I needed to go get my tree and all of my decorations. So I'm planning on trying to get all of it, all the Christmas decor done today. We gonna see. I just got off of work. I'm actually starving. The first thing on my to-do list is to go get some food. Now, this other boy that I watch, I really like his vlogs. He finally got the chicken sandwich from Popeyes, and like now I feel like I'm the only person left. Like, I'm so annoyed. So yeah, now I'm gonna go and try to get this sandwich. I have to go pick up my tree from Michael's. I already purchased it, and I figure I can get some decorations from there. I'm gonna see what I can get from Dollar Tree first, and then whatever I can't get from there, Michael's has a 40% off sale going on. So, you know, we gonna get it cracking. All right, scared to go in here, but I'm gonna go in. Every time I go in here, they be fighting. Went to the Popeyes, and they was ghetto. But I did get my sandwich. I actually ended up getting one sandwich for free because I ordered two and she only gave me one, like only rang me out for one. And she was just like, you can go, like, you can go, I'm not ringing you out. I'm like, okay girl, like whatever, thank you. But I've already eaten like 3 bites of this, and I'm not even about to front on y'all. It's straight slap. Like, if this is what the second batch is, I understand now why people might have been fighting during the first batch, because there is crack cocaine in these, and that's just all there is. Like, there are definitely drugs in these sandwiches. It looks like it's so dark, but it's really only 5:30. But yeah, I'm gonna finish eating this really quick, and then I'm going to drive this 30 minutes that I have to go to pick up this tree. And we're gonna see how much I do today because I'm really tired now. Okay, y'all, so I finally made it to Dollar Tree 45 minutes later. We're not even gonna speak on that. I have the itis, but we're about to go in here and see what they got. 10 minutes later and my cart is full. It looks like there's a lot going on, but like I already had all of these things in mind because I went online already to see what they had in stock. So I wanted to get a little Christmas set, but like basic, because that's what I am. I got these bigger plates. They're like 13 inches, 8 inches, and then bowls, and then these little mugs. They all just have like a gold little lining around it. These are going to be the charger plates. Yeah, so charger plates going underneath, so like cute accent. Anyways, I'm doing a lot of like gold and champagne, and then like a little silver, like just overload, you know. I got some garland, which I might have some better ones like at Michael's. Some little things for like the table. These are for like the tree. I'm gonna like rip them apart and, you know, shove them in there. Some extra ornaments. I have some coming from Target. They'll be here in 2 days, but I just wanted a bunch of different sizes. Yeah, that's pretty much all that I have for now. Oh, and these really cute placemats are just plain with like a little sparkle to them. Just what the girls need. Yeah, so the only thing that I'm a little upset about is that I have not been able to find these glass cups that I've seen online, and I really wanted them because they were like the perfect holiday cups. But I guess I'll have to try elsewhere for that so I can complete the table. Don't be sleeping on Dollar Tree, y'all. They be having these sales, and like I only need them, you know, for what, a month. So yeah, I'm just not pressed for it. Oh, I need this. Look, whiskey sour. Can y'all read this? Oh, this Joanne fabric. I already know I'm about to spend so much money here. I'm gonna try my hardest not to. We'll see. It's literally the only ribbon that I have found out of all of these ribbons that I like, and I'm pretty sure I got the last one. So kill me. Maybe this. It's just so extra. Like, I'm extra, but this is like ultra extra. Like, I don't want all that. I just want something plain. Okay, I'm gonna just leave here because one, the prices are wild, and two, it smells so effing bad in here. Like cinnamon, I wanna die. Like, who can even shop in this? Alright, y'all, this is my last stop, okay? Whatever is not found here will not be found at all today, because I'm over it. My patience is gone. Options here. I'm gonna find the perfect gold. And oh, I even like the silver. Oh no, decisions. Kind of feeling this. It's not too much, you know, because I get stressed out when it's too much. And then maybe even, whoa, maybe we can just go straight into it. Yeah, this is like gold, 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 gold. That's too bright. I don't want anything on that side, so I need to stay like right here. And I'm gonna figure out the combination, guys. Guys, I'm in my bed. I'm so tired. I have to take off all of the stickers and wash the dishes for the dining set, and I'm just, there's still a lot that I need, but I just felt like I was getting so many things that I was just like blanking out at this point. I'm just like, I don't remember what color scheme I've been doing anymore because it's just so much. So I'm going to wait for the stuff that I ordered from Target and Amazon to come in, and then hopefully we'll be able to put the tree up and everything by then, and I'll be able to see what I still need. I know there's things I for sure still need. Like I wanted to get like a wreath or two. I wanted to get a table runner. I think that's it. I think that's the only things that, oh, and pillows and like a throw blanket. So I still need quite a bit of stuff, but I think I got the bulk of it done tonight, so that's good. Boxes came early. They said they weren't going to be here until Friday, which I was a little bummed about, but I got some boxes from Target. Should only be 2 because I just got a bunch of like different ornaments. I don't know if all the ornaments are here, but at least we know some of them are. So this isn't everything for sure, but you can obviously start to see my theme coming together. I still have some white, like bigger bulbs that are coming, but I'm trying to stay in that silvery, champagne-y, whitish, just like very clean cream colors. And yeah, so only thing I'm waiting for from Target are a few more ornaments. I also bought a set that you guys seen earlier from Dollar Tree, so I think that I'm pretty good in terms of ornaments. I hope that I am at least, but we'll see. Hey guys, so lots of my ornaments came in. When they said miniature, they meant miniature. Like these are tiny, but they'll be really cute to add. And then I have these ones as well that I think are really pretty. Oh, they're like falling out. Okay. It's actually the day after Thanksgiving. I didn't record a ton, but yeah. It's actually the day after Thanksgiving. I didn't record a ton there just because, you know, privacy and everything. But yeah, we're gonna put the tree up today. I work at 5 today for like 3 hours. So yeah, I'm gonna go to work. Yeah, I noticed these are like falling out already. I don't know about that. But yeah, I'm going to put up the tree. I also am going to be working on doing an intro, which you guys will be seeing, you know, already. But I'm going to be doing a new intro. I did my first one. They're not hard to do, but they're definitely tedious. So I'm also doing a little bit more shopping. I just ordered some pillows, and I just need to get like my actual room together. Also, ignore my head. I cannot find my scarf anywhere, and I just laid down my hair. I will post a video, and I'm not doing it again. I'm trying to do that maybe once a week, like. So yeah, that's where we're at right now. I just wanted to show you everything that I purchased before I started putting like the tree up. First of all, I lied. We never put the tree up. It's just, you know, don't judge. Just mind your business, okay? Let me turn this light. The kids are asleep right now. So I figured this will be the best time for me to show you everything that I bought. Next thing, I got the 7-foot pre-lit willow tree from Michael's. And then I also picked up a 4-foot pre-lit tree that I'm gonna put in the living room on a small table. And then we come over here to all of our decorations. Firstly, I just wanted to show you like my table settings. I'm still lazy and did not take off the stickers yet or wash these, but I have a dishwasher. I'm literally just being lazy. But like, this is what I was talking about in terms of my theme. It's super cute. I think it's cute anyways. I got this table runner from Amazon. It just came in today. I'm thinking I might need another one just because this table size, just to make it like thicker, but I don't know because I still don't know what I'm putting in the middle yet. I know that I want probably some lights and some other stuff, but yeah, only thing that I need left in terms of the dishware is gold utensils. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and find those pretty soon. I'm either gonna order them or go and pick them up. When it comes to the tree, these are all the ornaments that I have so far. So I have like this 36-piece set that I already showed you from Target. These white ones, these little pine cones, these I got from the dollar store. All of these little items, whatever I don't put on the tree, I'm actually gonna use to make a little like town in the area here. And then this is my ribbon. I'm actually kind of upset about the ribbon because I only got 2 at first, and then I ran and grabbed this really quickly thinking that this is what these were. So now they're different, so I'm a little pissed about that. But yeah, this is the color scheme. I know there's a couple things I'm probably not gonna use. Like, I don't think I'm gonna use these, honestly. We'll have to see like what the tree is looking like. I also don't believe that I'm going to use candy canes. I'm just not really feeling them. Like, I don't, unless I can find some candy canes that are like gold, you know, which, oh, my wig is coming up, which I don't think I'm gonna be able to do. So I just think I'm gonna dub the candy canes. I don't even promote candy in my house. Like, there's rarely candy or any type of snacks in my house to begin with. So I'm not pressed for that. So one thing I did do, I thought that I got pillows from Amazon, but they were actually cases. A little pissed about. But these are like literally so cute. It says like Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. Yeah, they're all just like slightly different. I think that they're super cute. So even though I thought I was gonna get pillows with them, it's fine. Mine fit in here. They're a little tight, but like I like my pillows to be like that anyways. And it's also perfect that I can be able to wash these because I have small kids, so they're going to get dirty. I'm surprised they're even this white. I'm just gonna try to hurry up and get my pictures up beforehand because after that it's gonna be a wrap. This little round table here is where I'm going to put the tree because I have a window here and you'll be able to see the little tree poking through. I personally just did not want my tree in the living room. It's just like not a ton of room. I just didn't want it here. I have all of the space in the dining room because I still haven't gotten a piece of furniture for here yet. So I'm gonna put the tree in this corner right here, and that'll leave more than enough room for all the presents I'm gonna have for the kids, because you know they're gonna have too many to count. So yeah, I have the 4 pillows for that, so that's cool. Really, in terms of decorations for my living room, that's really all that I have. The 4 pillows and then the tree. I just needed to like get the main trees done and kind of build from there. I know for sure I want to get a wreath for this big wall here, and then I'm not sure what I'm gonna do on these 2 like separate ones, but I know right here I want to get a big wreath, or if nothing else, some type of like big picture frame. Also, I'm a little conflicted because the twins' birthday party, their birthday is on the 22nd of December. We're gonna have their party on the 14th, but the more Christmas decorations I put up, the more I have to take down to put up their decorations for their birthday, because my kids don't be leaving the house. So I'm not gonna have an outdoor birthday party or anywhere because it's flu season, guys. I don't be having my kids out the house. I just don't. Like, it's just not gonna happen. So obviously people are gonna come here, so I have to decorate it up. So yeah, that's literally in 2 weeks, and the more I put up in my living room, the more I'm gonna have to take down just for their birthday party. So I might buy a bunch of stuff but like not put it up in the living room until after their party, because you know Black people leave they Christmas decorations up till like June anyways, so like they'll get their use, you know. Anyways, that's all that I have for you guys today. I'm actually gonna put the tree up today, but that'll be in my next video. See what I did there? This is Vlogmas. I'm doing this just for y'all. You guys, actually, I asked on Instagram, which make sure you follow me, by the way. I asked on Instagram how you guys wanted me to do Vlogmas. Everyone voted. Wow, my lips have been white this whole vlog. Everyone voted for longer videos every couple days. So y'all better watch these, because I was gonna do daily short vlogs. But yeah, that's what happened. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video.